Next fluid we're talking about is your washer fluid. Some people just put water, some people put Windex, some people buy the actual bottles of washer fluid. I think they all pretty much kind of work. One thing I would say, don't use this to wash your windows. This is more of an emergency type situation rather than a regular maintenance. I really recommend that you clean your windows regularly because using the windshield wipers to wipe away dirt just wears them out prematurely, and it's not good for them. This is an emergency situation, not your window washer. The other thing I would say is don't run the pump a long time, and don't run the pump if the fluid level runs out, because you'll burn the pump out and then you have a more expensive fix. So keep it filled. Mine's real easy, just pour some in there. Most vehicles I've seen are the same. They just pop the cap open, pour in, and then close the cap and you're done. This model is real easy to see when it's full because the whole tank is right here. Some of them there's kind of a hose and then the tank is underneath somewhere and you won't see until the fluid comes up the fill hole. But again, this is more emergency stuff and not for general window washing, and I don't recommend that you wash the windows using that, nor do I recommend using the pump on there for long periods of time.